is an easy Christmas tree topper idea using a messy bow. So first you want to grab your ribbons, and I always start with a burlap, which is a signature part of a messy bow. You're going to want to trim about 4 pieces of each design ribbon that you'd like, and you're going to make these about 12 inches long. Some of these ribbons are wired and some are not. Some of them are 4 inches wide all the way down to 2 inches wide. It's really up to you as to the patterns and sizes of ribbons that you want to use for this messy bow. Now that you have all of your ribbons trimmed, you're going to go ahead and grab a zip tie. Put the zip tie down and start layering your ribbons, beginning with a piece of burlap. You can crisscross your ribbon in any direction you like, creating an entire circle on top of your zip tie. I always repeat the same pattern of ribbons each time I lay them out, but it's completely up to you. It does not matter at all. Then you're going to fish out your zip tie. So find it from underneath both sides, bring it together, and start your zip tie. Spin it around to the back and begin to separate your ribbons. You will pull each ribbon to the center and tighten your zip tie as you go. Create a little bouquet with your bow and trim the top pieces until it is all flush. If you prefer, you can always dog ear the tips of your ribbon. It's completely up to you. Then you're going to want to dust it off and get rid of your mess, which is part of a messy bow. Find the center of your bow and get yourself a piece of old jewelry or a piece of bling and thread the brooch part through the zip tie. If you do not have the pin part of your bling, you can always hot glue it on. Now you can take an additional zip tie, thread it through the back of your bow underneath the other zip tie, and use this one to attach your bow to your tree. And that is how you make a messy bow tree topper. Here it is with the bling in place as well. For more messy bow ideas, go to southerncrushathome.com.